Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Today, we're checking out 10 surprisingly useful mini gadgets that are portable, clever, and packed with features. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just love great gear, these tiny tools deserve a spot in your daily routine. Let's jump right in. 1. Memoking T2 Mini Sticker Printer. First up, this portable Bluetooth sticker printer is perfect for journaling, school, or organizing. It's inkless, pocket-sized, and prints notes, diagrams, or custom labels on thermal paper. A must-have for students, crafters, or anyone who loves cute and functional tools. 2. CRKD Atom Keychain Controller. The CRKD Atom is a keychain-sized controller for Nintendo Switch, PC, and even mobile devices. Despite its size, it's fully functional and perfect for on-the-go gaming. Plus, it's collectible, so it's great for gamers and tech lovers alike. 3. Wearable Bluetooth Speaker. This tiny clip-on Bluetooth speaker is water-resistant, lightweight, and shockingly loud. Clip it on your bag or shirt for hands-free music, podcasts, or calls wherever you are on a hike, walk, or around the house. 4. Cooluli Mini Fridge. Perfect for skincare, snacks, or drinks, the Cooluli Mini Fridge is compact and stylish. It cools and warms, works in your bedroom, office, or car, and even runs on USB power. Small but incredibly practical. 5. ONO Roller Fidget Toy. Need to relax or focus? The ONO Roller is a sleek aluminum fidget tool that helps relieve stress and tension. Just roll it between your hands. It's silent, satisfying, and great for work or study time. 6. G2 Pro Smart Steamer. This palm-sized clothes steamer heats up quickly, removes wrinkles fast, and works worldwide thanks to its dual voltage. Lightweight and perfect for travel, no more ironing boards or wrinkled shirts. 7. Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. Make soft serve, sorbet, or frozen yogurt right at home with this personal-sized ice cream maker. Freeze the bowl, add your mix, and enjoy dessert in minutes. It even has a topping chute fun for kids and adults alike. 8. Carson MicroBrite Pocket Microscope. Curious minds will love the Carson MicroBrite, a 60x120x handheld microscope with an LED light. Perfect for science lovers, students, or anyone who enjoys exploring the tiny details in everyday objects. 9. Mini Keychain Camera. This thumb-sized keychain camera shoots 1080p video and lasts up to 100 minutes per charge. It's great for casual filming, creative projects, or even vlogging on the go. Tiny but mighty. 10. DASH Mini Waffle Maker. A fan favorite, the DASH Mini Waffle Maker makes perfect 4-inch waffles in minutes. It heats up quickly, is easy to clean, and adds a fun touch to your morning routine. Also great for kids, small kitchens, or quick snacks. So there you go, 10 awesome mini gadgets that punch way above their weight. Whether it's for organizing, gaming, cooking, or relaxing, these little tools make life easier and more fun. If you found something you'd use, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us your favorite. Want more compact gadget roundups? Let us know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.